Today we are going to unbox a new phone. Woo! I'm sweating, guys. Today we are going to unbox a new freaking phone. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. Okay, so guys, my name is Hansen and welcome back to the channel. So before you do watch this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on my notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So today guys, we are going to unbox a brand new phone that I just bought. And guys, welcome to my first ever episode of my unboxing video. Okay, this is the first episode and this is the first time I'm unboxing a phone today. So before we do unbox the brand new phone, guys, look at me. My hair is quite long right now. I'm going to go ahead and cut my hair soon enough. So since my hair is so long, I'm going to do this. Okay, does this looks better while I'm wearing a cap? Okay, guys, comment down below, does it look good because my hair is too long. So today guys, we are going to unbox a brand new phone. Okay, the question is, what brand is it? And the second is, where did I bought? So the first thing is, the brand of the phone is from Malaysia. I know you guys are thinking, okay, Hansen, a phone from Malaysia? Does Malaysia even make phone? Well guys, today I'm gonna show you guys the first ever phone made by Malaysia. Okay, not first phone made from Malaysia, but it's a phone from Malaysia and it's very good and very beautiful. Okay, I really like the phone, and the phone is for my mom. So let me show you guys the phone. And the second thing is, where did I bought it? I bought it from near to my house, just near to my house. And the phone is the brand of the phone is from Malaysia. So let me guys show you the phone. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. This is the brand new phone from Malaysia. Okay, the brand of the phone is New. Can you guys see? New. I know you guys never heard the brand before, but the brand is from Malaysia. Okay, New. So as you guys can see by the intro, that the phone looks like this. Can you guys see? But the thing is about this phone is, look at behind. Guys, look at behind. Look at behind. Like guys, it's so beautiful. Like guys, can you guys see? And the brand, New. Can you guys see that? New. And this blue is my favorite color, so I bought this for my mom. And yeah, happy Mother's Day guys. So as you guys can see, this is the box over here. Okay, let you guys see. It's like that. And the phone comes with an earphone and a charger. And anyways guys, this is absolutely not sponsored guys. Okay, let me repeat. This is not sponsored. Okay, it's because that I bought this for my mom and I never get paid. Okay, so this is not sponsored. Okay, they never paid me. I'm just trying to let you guys know that this phone is from Malaysia, and you guys will believe after watching this video. So as you guys can see, this is the phone, and let me give you guys look at the charger. So the charger has a name of the brand New over here, so you guys can see. Yeah, can you guys see? New. And this is the earphones. Yeah, it's quite different with the others like Samsung or what. Okay, you can look at the earphone. So it's the phone from Malaysia and the brand is New. I never heard that brand before. This is the first time. Okay guys, I want to film this video is because that I want to show you guys that there are also phones made from Malaysia, and there are a lot of brands like New and others too. But I won't tell you the other brands of the phone from Malaysia too. So right now, yeah, as you guys can see, it says P11. So right now I'm going to do a voice cover for you guys so that you guys will know more about this phone over here. So let's get right to the voice call.
This is the new P11 phone made from Malaysia. The color of the phone is blue and it has 5.5 IPS screen QHD display. The Android is 6.0 Marshmallow. The phone has two duals. The first one is dual SIM and the second one is dual standby. The phone comes with RAM 2GB plus ROM 16GB. For the battery, it has 2200 mAh. For the camera, we have the back camera which is 5.0 MP. And the front camera which is also 5.0 as well. You can download any kind of apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, WeChat, and others as well. Lastly, inside the phone, it has micro SD to support up to 32GB. There you have it. This is the new P11 phone made from Malaysia. By the way, not sponsored.
That is all of the video for today. Hope you guys do enjoy this video and take a last look of the phone. Guys, comment down below, is the phone beautiful or not? So hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on my notification bell. And we are so close to 400 subscribers, so make sure to share it to your friends and your family. Let's hit 400 subscribers together. Road to 400 subscribers, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Well, I'm no one's fool.